Hi, today I want to talk about access rights. Access rights into ERP systems in Odoo and Acumatica. So it's organized quite differently and very interesting. So we got Odoo on the right side, we got Acumatica on left side. Let's start with Odoo this time. So here we got user, we got allowed companies like some subsidiaries which you can select for user in Odoo. For the same case, in Acumatica, you got user as well. If you want to restrict by subsidiary, you will need in branch, which will be subsidiary in Acumatica for this case, you need to select access role, and under roles you select for which branch user got access. While in both systems we got groups. So you see these roles under Acumatica, and that can be created here under user roles, and you see what user is assigned. In Odoo, you got groups as well, where you can see users. So imagine if we added some some model in Odoo. Shall we say we created some new one? So some developer created for you. So in that case, developer will create some access to this model, or if you want to manage current one, you you can find it in Odoo, and you also can create this. So you got this access right here, and you can add line, so that will allow you to name somehow this access for model. Select model here, which can be, shall we say, count, can be whatever, and specify access rights for this one. And obviously you got user selected for this one, and that's how access is happening for entire model. If you want to access a field, by one user and don't have access by other user, or visibility on per user basics. So you can change this. It can be done in Odoo Studio easily. So you see, you just select and change visibility, and that's it. So you can also just select some domain which can say, okay, just filter this one. Uh, just want to see only orders like this or customer like this. So you can specify different conditions, and also obviously you can specify what menus are visible, what views are visible. Here you can play with record roles, which is very handy tool, which is allowing you to add conditions. And obviously for each user you can see, okay, we got this record roles, we got this access rights for user, we got that and that groups. So let's maybe change it. Let's log in as this user, and let's modify access rights accordingly. Let's create new group. Let's just add access rights to menus, to some fields. Let's let's decide what this group users can see, what that group user can see. Uh, Creating groups and overall access is very important, and it needs to be thought through carefully, because if you just, okay, let me just go and create this group and add somebody, and then in 2 weeks let's create another one and let's mess this 20 times, then can be when you add in 20th user, you don't know what to do with that and where to add this user. So just think through it very carefully. Well, let's jump to Acumatica with regards to this. We got restriction groups, which allow to manage visibility of records, what records can be visible, what's not. There are few types of restriction groups, and uh, it's grouped via types. So, so like this cannot be visible to those who is in group. This is visible who is in group, and you can specify conditions like that. You got the success roles, which I mentioned already, and you got three screens: access rights by role, access right by screen, and access right by user. So shall we say we got some user, and we don't see some menu or some field. So we just go in here and check it. Hold on, this is revoked. This is revoked for this user. So let's change this. So access to fields is directly on this screen. So we got, you see, we got what roles are affecting this, and then you can check as well, okay, via screen, who is able to access the screen. So, fine. So, so administrator is inherited. So, but we can also change it, like to revoke, you only edit, insert, delete. Delete is maximum here. It's like everything, obviously. So, and we got actual place, so access right by role. So, okay, so some role, some air clerk, and we need to change this one. We check in. Okay, okay, fine. So that's the fields, but we want to put visibility on upper level, just on bill of material attributes, and we say, okay, our air clerk does not need this, so we put revoked, we save, and later we just go login as a user which got this role, and we check if that will work for you. Thank you.